Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5, and today I'm going to share with you how to make $100 on your lunch break. So I am taking a very late lunch today, and I am outside. Let me show you guys where I'm at. Hold on, let me show you where I'm at. Let's see if you can see. I'm outside of Walgreens, right? So I'm outside of Walgreens, and I'm going to share with you how you can make $100 on your lunch break. So I love Walgreens, especially if you're doing retail arbitrage, because you can pull up front row just like I'm parked now and get your cell phone, download the Amazon seller app, and then you can go into Walgreens and start scanning items. Well, one thing about Walgreens, especially if you're doing retail arbitrage, is they have these orange and white tags, right? And it'll say something like last chance, like FOMO, right? Last chance, last time you're gonna see it. And it'll say save $24.40 or save $27.96 or save $279 or $160 or whatever amount that is. And it'll say it was $33.99, but now it's $2.79. And you grab that product up and you resell it on Amazon, right? So this is one thing that you could do with retail arbitrage. Hey, Paul, thanks so much for joining. So another thing, especially at Walgreens, they have these little yellow stickers, and they're like, buy one, get one 50% off. Buy one, get one 50% off. FOMO, right? FOMO, fear of missing out. And so you can, and two, whenever you see buy one, get one 50% off, sometimes you can buy one and get it half price because it's the exact same thing, right? So when you're going out shopping for profits, scanning for profits, it's pretty amazing. Make sure that you're approved to sell, like if you're new to Amazon, you're not going to be able to sell toys right now. Although there are a lot of great deals on toys. Walgreens has amazing toys if you are into selling toys. And certain times of year, and they have points. You can get their points, but I especially like this one for like a quick trip on your lunch break because you can run in. But here's the best part, guys. Where I live near Charleston, South Carolina, within a 20-mile radius of where I'm at right now, there are 17 other Walgreens. So let's say, for example, that I run into this store and I find these peppermint sticks are, selling for $2 and they're selling for $20 on Amazon, then you can go to the other 17 stores, run in, just grab the peppermint sticks, be back out in your car and gone, right? Just get that money and leave. And my very first shopping trip out, I went on my lunch break. My second shopping trip, went on my lunch break, made $100 doing retail arbitrage. So this is a way you can definitely make some quick bucks, whether it be Q4 like it is now or anytime during selling on Amazon. So I hope you all have an amazing Tuesday. I will see you tomorrow on The Drive at 5. And listen, I am thinking about going live tonight in my Ching Facebook group. So if you're not in the Ching Facebook group, I'm going to put the link under the comments. So come in there. You can ask me anything. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.